Hello guys, and welcome back to Reality Rewind. Please like and subscribe. I absolutely appreciate it. So Cassper Nyovest's baby mama, who is popularly known as Bex, has come out on her Instagram. Yesterday was her birthday, so she posted a picture of herself and a long caption where she was basically exposing Cassper Nyovest and his wife. So in a nutshell, she said that when her son was 8 months old, he was diagnosed with cancer. So she had to they were admitted at a hospital for like 2 years so that her son could get treatment. In those 2 years, Cassper Nyovest then cheated on her with a woman who knew that who knew her situation, basically, who knew that she was at the hospital helping her son to fight for his life. On top of the woman knowing that she was going through a lot, she was actually flaunting the relationship with her baby daddy. Child, how evil. Anyways, she says that when Cassper Nyovest found out that now she knows about the relationship, he came back to her and begged her so that they can, continue with their relationship and all that. And then she says she was not in a point of trusting him again after he hurt her so much. And then later on, they got married. The woman that Cassper Nyovest is married to right now. Yo guys, it's so sad. I actually got teary when I was reading that message. I was like, oh my word. The way she was so quiet when Cassper Nyovest was having his wedding, she was so quiet, and I was asking myself, I remember people used to say, oh, where is the baby mama? Some people were saying, oh, you're not supposed to give him a child before he puts a ring on that finger and all that. Sometimes we just speak because suke singazi ukuthi what's happening behind closed doors. Kanti umntana abantu was going through the most. She was going through, and you can tell that she didn't have the energy, for the noise, the energy to fight, the energy. All her energy was channeled towards her son getting better. You can really tell she is such a fighter. So I saw some comments, under that post who were saying that, you know what, mama, you're such a strong woman. Actually, you dodged a bullet because at least he showed you his true colors whilst you guys were still dating, and guys, it's so sad. So I'm just going to read a few comments here. So one of the people who commented on this issue was Simple America. So Cassper Nyovest responded to that comment and said, I'm not scared of people or my past. I had to face it myself before anyone. What do you want me to do? Hide, point fingers, tell my side of the story, expose other people, shift the blame? Nah, ma'am, I'm here. Say it all, go off, take your best shot. Angithi you are perfect. Well, I'm not. Never claim to be. I'm a mess. I'm a wretched, wicked man who was saved and cleansed by the blood of Jesus Christ. Oh my word. Ngathi angashiya nje uJesu endweni zakhe uCassper, Nkosi yami. Yo guys, I'm so mad at him, even though it doesn't matter, but I'm so mad at him. How do you leave your wife with your child who is fighting for his life, who's suffering from cancer, and go and seek pleasures? Oh my word. Guys, okay, ngiyambona uCassper, but like the wife, like what was she thinking? Okay, there is a comment, there is something that the wife said when she was asked, okay. So she had posted, I think, an Instagram poll. So someone asked, how do you feel about people saying that you were not supposed to be the wife? And then the wife answered and said, okay, then who was, and why didn't he marry them? With a laughing emoji. Oh, women are also evil, Shem. Men are evil, but women are equally evil. This is another woman treating another woman like, guys, there is no excuse whatsoever. I mean, even if I hear a side of the story ga Cassper, or a side of the story ga wife, you know, Kapulani, I will never understand. I will never understand why they did this to her. Pulani was in the hospital with the baby. The baby was diagnosed with cancer. And now, no, not Pulani, Wr3ck was at the hospital with her baby, going through the most. And then Ugeli and Angapa Pandle, she's busy saying, and why didn't he marry them? With laughing emojis. Oh my word. Hey, so anyways, I saw on Twitter some people were saying that I was still Mihlali. Mihlali must go and wreck that home. Mihlali must go and wreck that marriage, Cassper's marriage, because we want justice for Wr3ck. Yeah, guys, my heart is so heavy. Speaking of this, my heart is so heavy. What is this, guys? Like, what is this? No, man, no. This is so bad. This is so bad. The mother of your child is in the hospital looking after your son who is fighting cancer, and when you have energy to go and cheat. What? Yo, no ways. This is bad. This is emotionally bad. Oh, I'm just praying for Wr3ck ahile, you know, abe sharp, abe right, man, because she really didn't deserve this. She's such a strong woman. She's such a strong woman. Anyways, please do let me know what you think on the comment section. Otherwise, I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.